In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rebuild your search index on Microsoft Outlook. 5 minutes. If your Outlook searches are slow, incomplete, or missing results, the issue is often the Windows search index. Rebuilding or refreshing it for Outlook helps the app quickly locate emails, attachments, and calendar items. We'll walk through this on the Outlook desktop app for Windows, and we'll keep it straightforward and safe. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application, not a web browser. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can access the core settings that affect how Outlook behaves. Next, select Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, which holds all the preferences for Mail, Calendar, and importantly for us, Search. In the left-hand sidebar of this window, click Search. The Search section is where Outlook connects with Windows indexing to make your results fast and accurate. Inside the search settings, click the button labeled Indexing Options. This opens a system-level window that controls which locations Windows includes when it builds the search index. Outlook relies on this index to quickly scan your mailbox, so the right locations need to be enabled. In the Indexing Options window, click Modify. You'll now see a list of locations that can be indexed. Look for Microsoft Outlook in that list. Make sure the box next to Microsoft Outlook is checked. If it wasn't selected before, checking it tells Windows to include your Outlook data, like mail and calendar, in the search index so results can be rebuilt and returned correctly. After confirming that Microsoft Outlook is checked, click OK to apply your changes and close the window. You can then close any remaining settings windows. From here, Windows will handle the indexing in the background. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this can take some time and search results may be limited or slower while the index updates. It helps to keep Outlook open and your computer plugged in during this process. If you start a search and notice a message about indexing in progress, that's normal. Let it run until it completes. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to File, Options Search, then Indexing Options, selecting Modify, checking Microsoft Outlook, and clicking OK, you've set Windows to rebuild the index for Outlook. Once the index catches up, your searches should be faster and more complete. Thanks for watching and happy searching.